Forests provide a home to most of the biodiversity we find on Earth. For our water to be clean and our soils to be rich, we need healthy forests.
Trees and forests are true allies in the fight against climate and biodiversity crisis. Trees purify our air, cool our cities, and take up CO2. We need to be their allies too.
Europe's forests are not in a good shape. That's why we will work to protect and restore them. We also need to improve how forests are managed.
Well-managed forests, our vibrant European forest ecosystems, are key to our transition to climate neutrality.
By 2030, we want to add 3 billion new trees. And we want to make sure that those are the right trees in the right place for the right purpose.
That's how we can restore nature, offer a home to more birds and insects, and help fight the climate crisis. Every tree, every sapling, and every plant is one. Each is important.
We need to start looking differently at nature around us. We need to realize that wherever we see green, it benefits us, our children and our grandchildren.
In the end, we are all part of nature. What we do to fight the climate and biodiversity crisis, we do for our own health and future.